Second lord in the 12th house, where your money is coming from?
Foreign hospitals.
Second lord in the 12th, if beneficially placed, you can earn money through foreign matters. Second lord in the 12th house, malefically placed, your money is going into losses.
Jail, hospital.
Right, so you will lose your entire money. I have seen a lot of people, second lord in the 12th house, the balance sheet is zero. They will earn 2-3 lakhs rupees per month, and if they ask their saving, zero. All the money going into expenses. If it is malefically influenced, it is a kind of nirdhan yoga, because your money is getting into loss or expenses. So whatever you have saved, one fine day everything is going out. Right? If it is positively influenced, then your money is getting into investment. 12th house is a house of investment.
Yes.
So then you can earn a lot of money through investments. Right? Okay. If the second lord occupies the 12th house, the combination makes the native adventurous, devoid of wealth, dependent on others, and keeps him bereft of happiness of the eldest son.
3-11 relation.
Yes. Right? You want to take advantage through adventure of your money, but it is not good for your first son because it is 8th from the 5th house. If your money is getting into losses, you will be dependent on others.
Yes.
Your family values are going into also going into losses.
Yes.
You can lose a lot of money because of your speech. I am talking in terms of malefically influenced, right? Okay.
Yes.
If it is well placed, you can earn money through what? Religious activity. Why he has said religious activity?
Ashram.
Ashram.
12th house is the house of ashram, and Jupiter and Venus is going into 12th house.
So मोक्ष कारक भी हो गया एक
It is
तरह से.
moksha karak. Venus get exalted there. It is Jupiter's house. So if it is a pure planet, you can earn through religious money. You can earn through ashram, right? You can donate a lot of money in ashram. But maximum case I have seen when second lord goes into the 12th house, it comes with a little bit of some impression, some malefic influence, and the person wealth is going into losses. So if I see somebody's chart who has got second lord in the 11th house, I normally ask them to don't keep their money with them. Either I will ask them to invest, or maybe I'll ask them to transfer their salary into wife's account or father's account or mother's account. Because anyways, unka paisa, their own money is getting into expenses. Not a good placement to have second lord in the 12th house. Any lord into 6th, 8th, 12th house is not a good placement to have, to have other than their own lords, like 6th lord in the 8th house, 8th lord in the 6th house, 12th lord in the 8th house.
हेलो.
तो आपने अपने एक वीडियो में कहा था कि ऐसे कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन हो तो उसको अपना हर पैसा, लाइक ईच एंड एवरी पेनी शुड बी इन्वेस्टेड, राइट?
Yes.
सारा का सारा पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर देना चाहिए.
Because anyways it is going to, it is going into expenses. So what we want him to do that 12th house is a house of investment also. It is expenses and investment. Now depending upon me, what I want to do. If I will not invest, it will go into expenses. लक्ष्मी के 3 उपयोग हैं, समझ लो. दान, भोग और नाश. चौथा उपयोग नहीं होता लक्ष्मी का. लक्ष्मी को या तो दान कर दो, टीडीएस भर दो, पैसा बच जाएगा. लक्ष्मी को बोलते ना चंचल है, टिकती नहीं कहीं पर. भोग कर लो, यू एक्सपीरियंस इट. पैसे आए, कार खरीद ली, घर खरीद लिया, ये कर लिया, जमीन खरीद ली, बाहर घूमे आए. नहीं तो नाश तो होगा ही. राइट?
तो ये भोग भैया, फिर इसमें एक और चीज है, उपयोग और भोग दोनों एक ही हो गया.
यार उपयोग मतलब क्या, भोग, तुमने जाकर ज्वेलरी खरीद ली,
हम्म
सोना खरीद लिया, राइट, आपको लग रहा है मैंने उपयोग कर लिया, बट वो लक्ष्मी को भोगना हुआ ना, दैट ज्वेलरी व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग ऑन योर ओन बॉडी, इट इज लाइक यू आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग मनी, राइट?